What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and today we're going over a nice simple mid fade. First thing you want to do is make sure you moisten up the entire top section of the hair so that we can section with ease. Once you section, be sure to clip away everything you won't be cutting. Next, with your preferred trimmer, create a baseline all around the head. Try not to set in your baseline too high since we still have to fade up and you don't want it to end up looking like a high fade. Now you want to remove everything left underneath. Be sure to have the blade flat on the scalp or it can cause some irritation. Next, using your shaver, lightly shave down all the stubble left behind. When getting close to the baseline, be sure you're being light with it and don't dig in. With your clipper and the lever open, create a 1/2 inch guideline all around. Make sure your guidelines are clean and symmetrical as you work around. Notice how I'm not digging in, rather just flowing my clipper outwards so I don't create a harsh line. Be patient with it and follow the flow of that baseline. Next, with your 1.5 open, go up about a full inch. Again, don't apply too much pressure, especially when reaching the parietal ridge area. With your number 2 open, aim about taking 1/2 inch above the step we just went over. You can use your comb to bring in extra bulk and have a clean finish. The number 3 in this case is to just polish up the dark area. Alright, now that we got rid of all the bulk, it's time to blend everything up. With your clipper and the lever closed, hit that baseline halfway through. Now gradually open up the lever as you move up. In this case, I only use about 3 of the first notches from the lever closed, so keep that in mind. You can use your trimmer if you're able to see that baseline. Next, with your half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. And now you just want to open up the lever with the same guard and go up another 1/2 inch. Using the number 1 open, break the line within the dark and light area. In this case, I did need my 1.5 to touch up the dark area, so just play with the lever if you do come in contact with the same issue. Finally, with your lever open no guard, use your corners to get rid of that last visible line. You do want to come back to several different guards to touch up any dark areas or imperfections. The other side is the exact same thing. I suggest you work on each step all around the head. I just happen to be working on one side for demonstration purposes only. I do want to say thank you to everyone who supports the channel and keeps watching every video. I hope everyone is learning as we go, and subscribe if you haven't. If you do happen to be looking for clipper guards, be sure to visit MartyBlendz.com and grab a set. There is plenty of colorways to choose from to match the theme of your station. Also, don't forget, if you're interested in purchasing a Babyliss set, you can use MartyBlendz to save money on your next purchase. Alright, now back to the cut. Be sure to concentrate on all little details. I'm sure if you put effort, your clients will see and they'll come back for quality. It's extremely important to have patience, especially if you're new to the barber game. If it seems like your blends need work, just make sure you watch loads of videos over what the problem is and study. I guarantee you, if you use your corners, haircuts will appear so much more detailed. Remember that every canvas is different, so with experience you'll see that some clients will need more touch-up work than others. It all depends on what kind of hair just lands on the chair. As for beards, I do have a full tutorial just for this, so click on the card up top to get a full guide. When working up top, you want the entire section to be equal and contour to the client's head shape. I do have a full tutorial coming on how to scissor work, so stay tuned. Last but not least, dry up the hair using a blow dryer, apply product, and you're all set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you all learned something from today's tutorial. Again, I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.